Today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get Tinder Gold for completely free. This is working on iOS and Android, and you can get Tinder Gold for free. You can also get Platinum as well. And if we check in-app purchases, guys, you can see Gold and Tinder Plus is pretty expensive. Tinder Gold is around $30 I believe I should say Platinum, because there is two golds there. But basically, guys, I'm going to show you how to get Tinder Gold for free, and this is working in 2024. And yeah, super simple, guys. It uses a redeem code, so you can literally get a promo code that you can enter in-app or on the Tinder website, and it's going to supply you with a free subscription. So you need to use a mobile phone and go to this website, www.robotcoupons. Sorry guys, I'm trying to look through the camera and type robotcoupons.com. So very important you spell it correctly. And this is, of course, a coupon code website, and they have tons of different codes for games and promo codes for different things. You just need to basically find this Tinder free gold upgrade coupons page. Now, as I mentioned, you can get a 1 month free Tinder Gold Plus or free Tinder Platinum, and they all cost different amounts. So basically, guys, these coupon codes are limited, as you can see. So as long as this video is still up on YouTube, doesn't mean there's codes available. I'm going to pull this video down as soon as this is not working. But yeah, if you see this video, it is working, and it is working in 2024 as I speak. So you have to select which one you want. So let's go ahead and click on Gold. Now, you will need to unlock your personal Tinder Gold promo code, guys. The reason you need to do this is, of course, this is super expensive, as I showed you. So this limits one code per person. So don't come on Robot Coupons if you think you're going to get 10 years worth of Tinder Gold. You can only get 1 month at a time. So go ahead and unlock code. Now, I've already got gold and I don't want to waste these limited codes, but you can see this is loading. When that loading screen reaches the end, you're going to see a new page, guys, and it's going to tell you how to go ahead and unlock your code. This is your first time on Robot Coupons. You will probably need to verify yourself, and it's completely free, but it does take between 5 and 10 minutes. And that's going to go ahead and unlock your code. So these stars will be revealing a code, and you can enter it in the app or on the website, and that's going to supply you with 1 month free Tinder Gold Plus or Platinum. So head on over to Robot Coupons, guys. Just find the Tinder promo code page and go ahead and get your upgrade now. So smash that like button. Hope you found the video useful, and I'll see you next time. Peace out, guys.